Mushirithania wa igoti Togeru Smokin Wajara niwe uma wa gatandatu kuhungwa mahuri ni kamiti ya ruhonge rwa ushirithania JSC giikaro-ini kiria kirathie na mbere gia gwetha mushirithania munene thutha wa Willy Mutunga guthii ritaya. Wajara ari na ukuru wa miaka 56 na augite yaheo giturwa kiu utongoria wake ugukorwo na ngurani nene makiria na wa Willy Mutunga, akiuga Mutunga ni arathingataga mawoni ma andu angi muno mbere ya gutua matua make na kuhe acirithania gitio kinene.
But I have my own style, I have my own philosophy. I would cut down on too much consultation. I would take decisions when the call has come.
I would want you to tell me, in your opinion, what the Mutunga court will be remembered for and what you would want the Wanjala court to be remembered for.
Yes, I think the Mutunga court will be remembered for harnessing diversity. I will not want to preside over a court that thinks in unison, but a court that thinks in diversity but delivers in unison.
Wajara augite ni egucenjia utongoria ucio guku agitua matua mamwe kiumbe atare na guoya wa mundu ona uriku. Wajara augite ni aiguite ndeto ya andu aria merikanaga ati ni maingagirira wira wa acirithania magoti-ini na gukorwo magitheremia ungumania, no ndari acemania nao na ndangiheana uira wao, na kwa uguo akauga akorwo marikuo ni ekumanina kaimana. Oho Wajara augite ndari hindi agetikira ruhonge rwa igoti ruingirire honge ingi cia thirikari ta mbunge, no akauga ati no aingirire honge icio angikorwo honge icio ni iguthie mugaru na gatiba. Kiumia giukite kamiti ino ya JSC ikambiriria mihango ya kuhunga mahuri andu 6 aria igoti riathanire mahungwo mahuri amu ni maikitie marua makienda kuingira wabici ino ya mushirithania munene thutha wa JSC kumatigaja.